Pronouncing handwriting is pretty easy, there's just one syllable. But achieving a high level of proficiency in this skill is a challenge for most people. In fact, I've been working on my own handwriting since college, and I still don't consider myself particularly good. My handwriting has improved somewhat over time, but it's still not perfect. However, if you're willing to put in the work, which can be as simple as practicing writing from left to right every day, then eventually your penmanship will improve as well. Start with a clean piece of paper, no doodling, no notes, and practice writing from left to right. Hold the pen at a 45-degree angle in your hand, not parallel to the surface of the paper. This will help you maintain good posture as you write and may prevent cramping in your hands or wrists. Don't lift the pen laterally or vertically. It should be parallel to the page or screen. If you need to change direction, lift your pen only when you are about to start writing again. Do not lift your pen until you are ready to start writing again. This prevents smudges from appearing on paper that may obscure what has been written in that area of space. The only way to improve handwriting is by practicing it over time. You will get better with practice, but you need to be patient and keep at it every day if you want your handwriting skills to improve quickly. Practice in different situations. Situations like school, work, or even just home can help you learn how to write faster and more accurately. If possible, try practicing outside at some point during the day so that there isn't any pressure on your hand, as well as making sure that whatever position, area has been chosen for practicing doesn't cause pain or discomfort when used again later on down the road, like sitting down.